there, friends, and welcome to a special unboxing edition of the Country Bear Collector Show. We have some wonderful, very cool products here today. This is the new Disney Wonderbles line from Tokyo Disney Resort. These are only available at Tokyo Disney Resort, and because it's Tokyo Disney, you better believe that there's something Country Bear Jamboree related in each one of these boxes. You can see on the print on the box, it's got the Country Bear Jamboree poster. So all four of these different items are sort of blind boxed. If you were to go to Tokyo Disneyland, you would just find an open box here and you could grab a box out and try your luck. But I was able to score one box of each, so I definitely will get the Country Bear things. Now, of course, as always, when we do these unboxing episodes, my paws are much too clumsy, so I'm going to call my intern in here, and my intern is going to open these up. Intern, get in here and open these up. All right, thanks. Now, don't mess them up. Just open them up. All right, what do you think I'm going to do? All right, hey, everybody. So I'm the intern. I'm going to open these. Now, if we look on the back of these, you can see what the different things are. We've got Dumbo, Country Bears, Tower of Terror, Aladdin's Flying Carpets, Turtle Talk, and then a mystery thing. But I think the mystery thing might be... I actually don't know what the mystery thing is, so we're going to see. And again, all these are from... have things from the same thing. So we've got Tower of Terror, because that's High Tower from Tower of Terror, Dumbo, Aladdin. This is... Oscar's teddy bear, the teddy bear that Oscar is holding in the Country Bear Jamboree. That's one inside here. Turtle Talk with Crush, and then a mystery one. The ones in this box are pins. So these are attraction poster pins. And again, it's Dumbo, Country Bears, Tower of Terror, the Flying Carpets, and Turtle Talk, and then the mystery one. And then we've got this one too, which these are bags, little drawstring bags. But as you can see, it's got all the different, the same 6 things in there. So I think we're going to save the little plush ones for the end because I think that is really cool. So let's just open this big one here and see what we get inside. Now remember, these are all blind bagged. So you don't know, if you were in the park, you can buy just one of these, but you don't know which one you are going to get. And what I think I'm going to do is, if I get to the Country Bear one, I'm going to stop opening, because then I can put these on eBay or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll open them all. It depends. Usually when I say that, we go right through and I have to open them all, or I wind up opening them all anyway. So let's take a look at the first one here. Ooh, it's pink. I think that is going to be Dumbo. So it's a little Dumbo drawstring bag. There you go, Tokyo Disneyland Resort. Printing on both sides. Little drawstring bag. You can put circus peanuts in there if you want to fire them off at Dumbo. Or have Dumbo fire them at you. So let's look at the next one. I wonder if these are going to be in order as they're printed on the back. If so, this would be the Country Bear Jamboree one. And it looks like it is. There you go, the Country Bear Jamboree. It's got the original attraction poster on there. It's a little drawstring bag. Now tell them that this isn't going to be a review. Oh, right. This is not going to be a review. We're just looking at these things, and he will review these on a later show. That's right. Okay. Can I finish this? Yeah, go ahead. Should I open up the rest? Yeah, why not? That's why people are tuning in. Okay. Because we got to find out what the mystery one is, right? We got to see what that is. So here you go, Tower of Terror, with the Tower of Terror attraction poster. Tokyo Disneyland Resort. I don't know, these are nice. Don't review it. All right, I won't review it. I was just going to give my initial thoughts on them. Nope, you don't get to review it. All right, I won't review it. Gee, Mani. I know what you were going to say. Oh, you do? Yeah, I do. Can I just finish opening these? Yes. All right, so Jasmine. Oh, it's Jasmine's Flying Carpets. I apologize. I was saying Aladdin's. I just saw the writing and thought it was Aladdin's. I don't have my glasses on right now. So Jasmine's Flying Carpets. There you go. Little bag there. And then this will be the mystery one. Oh, no, there's 2 more than the mystery one. We've got Turtle Talk with Crush, and then the mystery one, which we don't know what it is. Turtle Talk with Crush. There you go. I love how it's sort of, it just fits in with that sort of steampunky theming of stuff. Tokyo Disney Sea. Awesome there, and here's the last one. This will be the mystery thing. What could the mystery... This is going... Oh, it's red. You can see that. It's red. Sort of a fuchsia color. The Mickey Mouse Review. The classic Mickey Mouse Review. Oh my gosh. Which is no longer in Tokyo Disneyland, but that is very cool that they're doing a sort of a tribute. Although that does not look like Baloo. And isn't Baloo playing the flute in the thing? I don't know. Anyway, very, very cool. I told you not to rate them. Well, you're not going to rate those ones. Well, that's true. Okay, so we got the bags done. Let me put these down here. And let's see. We'll open these. This box is really heavy. Like, I don't know what this is, but compared to the other boxes, like especially that last box was super light. But this box has a lot of weight to it. So let's open this up and see. There we go. All right. So you can see how they're packaged there. I should have been taking pictures of all these, but I'm just going to open it. Wonderbles, there you go. See, they're individually priced, so because that's how they would sell them in the park. Here we go. Ooh, this is packed in. These are like little standing plates, like little dishes, almost like little ashtrays, almost. And then you would take this little stand that it comes with, and you put it there. So there you go. You can see it's Dumbo the Flying Elephant right there. All right. And I got to figure out how to put these back in here. I will do that in a second. Now, if these are all packaged in the right order, this second one should be the Country Bears. So we will... Don't cut yourself. I'm not going to cut myself. Yeah, famous last words. All right, let's see if this is the Country Bears. I believe it might be. There you go, Country Bear Theater. It's like a little dish. I couldn't tell what these were in the pictures. So it's a little... like ceramic dish. Got that on the back, Tokyo Disneyland. And then it comes with a little stand, so you can stand it up. And there you go. All right, I think because all of these are going to turn out to be exactly the same, we will stop opening these. Not for eBay purposes, but it's just going to be the same thing. It's just going to be the same print of Turtle Talk with Crush and all that other stuff that we've seen. So... we will get this out of the way, and we will open up this one next. This is the one, these are pins. It says Pin Collection right on the front. Pin collecting. Oh, these ones I might not be able to. So we say that is Dumbo, and that is the Country Bears, maybe? I don't know. Let's see how they're... Let's see, I'm going to open this one first. Ooh, look at this. They're even boxed inside the thing. It's not. These are mixed up. Oh, wow. These are really cool. These are big, giant pins. If you can see that, they're kind of big, giant pins, but they're 3D, so Jasmine and Raja are kind of popping out there. And they're big. Look at these. These are amazing. All right. That is super cool. So... we are going to open these until we get to the Country Bears, at least, because it's all going to be the same image. Let me keep this over here with that. And there's no marking on the boxes, so even when you get to this point, you cannot tell what box you have. Here's Dumbo. So this Dumbo has got the 3D. Let me hold it up closer there. These are really neat. No wonder that box was like kind of heavy. It's because they're giant pins and they're super solid, super heavy. Okay, come on, Country Bears. It'll be the last one probably. That's usually what happens in this scenario. All right. Turtle Talk with Crush. That's cool. And this is all kind of 3D, and then it makes it kind of like a little window. That's cool. All right. Woo, throwing things around here. Come on, Country Bears. Where are you? Where are you, Country Bears? There we go. Here we go. The Country Bears. This is really neat. I know I just keep saying that, but this is fun. So the bears are kind of raised. You can see that. They're kind of 3D there. Pinned on the back. These will all get reviewed on the show. And I think we will hold off on opening the others because it'll just be the Mickey Mouse review and the other ones we haven't opened yet. Tower of Terror. All right, so we will hang on to those in the interest of time. And then finally, we've got our final box here with our little plushes in them. And this I'm super excited about because there have been plushes of Oscar holding a teddy bear, but they have now made a plush of just... Oh, these ones are sealed. This is like the old ones, the other ones that we opened a while ago that are sealed. And there's kind of no way to open these without sort of ruining the box. And I think that's by design. Unfortunately, I wish I could keep this box in better shape, but they glue these down. All right, let's see if I can get this out of here. So there's the box, and I think these boxes are going to be glued down, so it's going to be hard to open these boxes without... that's what we're looking for right there. Focus in, focus in. There you go. We're looking for that bear. Yep, see, these are... Oh, I wish these were easier to open. But I get it. They don't want people rifling through and picking out, you know, opening the boxes and stuff, so... All right, here we go. And it looks like it's going to be Raja. These are little keychains. Little... Well, I'm not going to take them out. I'll take one when we get to the... See, the teddy bear doesn't even have a name. It's Oscar's teddy bear. When we get to Oscar's teddy bear, I will open things up. All right. Come on. See, there's no other way into these except kind of doing this thing that kind of tears up the boxes. This is Crush. Cute little Crush. Oh, and he comes with a microphone. That's fun. That's the microphone he talks into. And then there's a little Crush. That's cool. I want to go to Tokyo Disneyland so bad. You and me both, buddy. All right. Okay. Jeez, you scared me. Sorry, I did. You forgot I was standing behind you? Yeah, I did a little bit. Surprise. Yeah, it was. Trust me. Would you get to that bear? I'm trying. It's going to be the last box. I know it. Ah, here's Mickey Mouse from the Mickey Mouse review. Look at this. That is great. He's got his little baton right there. Little keychain, or they have a keychain thing, but they're sort of like little fobs. You're a fob. All right, jeez. What is up with you? Just open the bear. I'm trying to find it. Oh, leave me alone. I'll leave you alone. Okay, all right. Here we go. Is this gonna be the bear? I hope so. I can't watch you fumble around anymore. Would you want me to open these or not? Ah, Dumbo. Dumbo. That's cute, though, that Dumbo's got his little goggles on. Big old ears. All right, we got 2 boxes left. One's going to be Tower of Terror, and one's going to be the Country Bear one that we're looking for. Which one is this going to be? Here we go. This is it. Finally. All right. So, there we go. There is Oscar's teddy bear. They love the Country Bears so much at Tokyo Disneyland, they have made a plush of Oscar's teddy bear. You can see the tag here. If you can see that, it says Country Bear Theater, Tokyo Disneyland Resort. This is great. All right, don't review it. I'm going to review it. Just put it back in the box. Okay, all right. Well, there you go. That is it. Stay tuned for the reviews. The reviews will coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss a single review. And that's going to do it. Thanks so much, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. And make sure you're subscribed and follow us on social media. And then we'll talk to you next time. Now, you going to clean up this mess or what? I'll clean it up. Okay. Bye, everybody.
If you enjoyed the show, give us a like and click the subscribe button. If you'd like to see the show continue, consider supporting Saturday Morning Media via Patreon at patreon.com/Saturday Morning Media. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.